Hi YouTube. Hi Amors. This is Annette Morris and I'm coming on to tell you about this video. This video coming up about 2 DIYs that I put together. If you ever liked the idea of pampas grass, yes, but is allergic to it, I'm allergic to any grass or feathers or anything like that. So even though I fell in love with this decor, I had to find another way. So come along with me and see what I do to figure this out. You've probably seen all these wonderful pampas grass and different grass, decorative grass. But like I said, just not for me. See you there. So I went around shopping to see what I could find that wouldn't give me too much of a loose, something that would be in the air or that will hold the structure of pampas grass and look like pampas grass. The prices of these also convinced me that, no, I don't think so. I knew I could find a way to do this. So I kept searching and looking online to see what I can find. And of course, like always, Dollar Tree was the answer. I went there to see what I could find to make the pampas grass. So I went to Dollar Tree and was able to find this nautical rope that would probably give me the look that I want without any problems. Okay, I purchased 2, and then I found a hanger that I'm going to give me my the stability of the grass once I make it, and then my masking tape and a pair of scissors. Now I unraveled these, and you'll see that once you do that, you really have double the amount. So I was able to cut those into the sizes that I want my grass to be, and that would be your option, how long you want each one to be. And I would get, at least if I want shorter pampas grass stems, I will cut the hanger after stretching out, cut it in half, or I can keep it long. It depends on what you want as far as your vase or how you're going to apply it to your decor. After applying the tape to the hanger all the way down, then I come back and I'll start applying my pieces of rope with a single knot. I'll single knot all the way down to the end until you get the length that you want for your pampas grass. And then after that, you can start combing it out, or you can leave it as is. It's all up to you and the look that you want in your decor. Now I was able to find this pet brush to get the to unravel the yarn, but I'm not sure exactly if it was at Dollar Tree, but that's why I put this on here. You can take a screenshot and see if you can find it through Dollar Tree. But as you can see, it was doing a little bit too much, so I switched to just a broken hair dryer comb. That worked out just great. And there you have it. It turned out really good. I'm getting the look that I need for my decor, the look that I want, and the look that I like, with no worries with my allergies. Okay, I'm on TikTok, so if you haven't followed me over there like I announced in my last couple of videos, come over and join me. And this is our second DIY And I'll be using this macrame cord to put together my basket. And also I'll be constructing it with this cardstock here. Actually, it's a box that I cut into a circle. A discarded box that I cut into a circle. And I'm showing you the technique I used to do this. And if you've seen my previous video, this is my serving tray basket that I put together and that I'm using on my table. To get this look, you can use pool noodles that you can get at the Dollar Tree, or you can use any kind of soft foam that you can find at the hardware. And this is a pool noodle that you can buy at the Dollar Tree, and all I do is take it and cut it to the size I want to use for the size of my baskets I'm gonna make. Or you can use this foam, piping foam that you can buy at hardware. And if you don't have that, you can use just paper or plastic. It depends on the look that you want your side of your basket to be. But I'll be using the foam. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is a good time to come and be a part of my Amors family here on my channel. And don't forget to share and comment down below. And we're done, and this is the finished look for my serving basket. Comment down below which DIY did you like. See it all the way to the end so you can see how I put everything together. Okay, this is one look that I put together using my DIY serving tray. And again, if you haven't came over to join me on TikTok, come do just that. Can't wait to see you there. And here's another look that I put together using my basket serving tray. If you haven't joined me for my morning glories, you're missing out. I'm giving you little tidbits of inspiration to start your week, and also showing you a little home decor as far as how to style a breakfast tray or trays in your home, serving trays or stylish trays. If you're not a part of my channel, please take the time to subscribe and share. And like I always say, thank you, Amors, and I'll see you next time.